Foliotek Presentation, managing files. One of the greatest things you can do with an online portfolio is keep all of your documents in one location. Documents, images, whatever those are. Just any kind of experiential based evidence, you can keep it in one location. Let me show you how to manage those using Foliotek Presentation. If you go to the top black bar, there is a link called Files, and this is how you manage globally all the files you can use for any portfolio you work on. So you can create folders. You can see I've uploaded some Word documents here. You can upload new files, create new folders, move files around, remove files. You can search for files. This is a storage meter letting you know how much space you have. This area is very important down here because it lets you know how you can email files to yourself using ad@files.foliotek.com, which is very cool. So let me go ahead and do a couple things here. Click on a folder so you can see there's a bunch of images stored in that folder, and again a subfolder of that folder, more images, and I can go up a level and then up another level very easily. The screen loads very quickly. Let's go ahead and create a new folder and call it Documents. And we're going to dump these two files that I have sitting inside of this particular area in that Documents folder just by clicking and dragging them into the Documents folder. Now if I click on the Documents folder, there they are. Pretty sweet, and I can move them back up a level. If I want to take them out of that folder, I can do that, and now they're back in the level above that. Let's go ahead and remove the Documents folder. Very simple to manage files area, which is a very rich feature of Foliotek Presentation. Having the ability to store all of your documents in one location is great. Of course, you can upload files from your files repository. I want to make sure I mention that. Let me go back to the edit screen where we were editing a portfolio before, because it's from this screen you have access to all of your files too by clicking on the Files tab. And here's all your files listed, and you can sort them by name, date, size. You can click on those a couple of times and you can see how things get sorted differently. So this allows you to click and place images or documents inside of the various portfolios that you're working on. So we can't underestimate the real power of having a global files repository for all of your portfolios, because there's many different things you can do with a portfolio, and having one location where all your files are stored is very advantageous. So this was managing files using Foliotek Presentation.